Hey there, amigos y amigas. Welcome back to Learn Spanish World. I'm El Señor Brigs, a fully accredited native Spanish teacher. Here, you are going to learn real Spanish, not that accented Spanish you might find on other channels. You've come to the right channel to get that authentic language skills that will make you sound natural and will serve you in real life situations in any Spanish-speaking country around the world. Today, we are focusing on those essential phrases for asking about opening times and closing times. Perfect for exploring new places or making sure you don't miss out on visiting local spots. Wondering how to ask, what time does it open? What time does it close in Spanish? By the end of this lesson, you will be sounding like a native Spanish speaker. Make sure that you listen intently and repeat by copying my pronunciation. Stick around and be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload videos every week covering a wide range of topics. And by the way, you may want to subscribe because I have an amazing good news coming up very soon. And that will make a huge difference in how you learn Spanish. So click that button and subscribe. Okay, amigos, empecemos. Today's video is entitled Master Opening Closing Questions in Spanish. How to ask, what time does it open in Spanish? How to ask, what time does it close in Spanish? You are just about to learn these and a lot of extremely important additional phrases. If you want to ask, what time does it open or close in Spanish? You would say, ¿a qué hora abre? ¿Cierra? ¿A qué hora abre? What time does it open? ¿A qué hora cierra? What time does it close? Repeat after me. ¿A qué hora abre? Let us move on to the next example. If you want to ask, what time does the store open? You would ask, ¿a qué hora abre la tienda? 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 Now, if you want to ask what time does the bank close, you would ask, ¿a qué hora cierra el banco? ¿A qué hora cierra el banco? ¿A qué hora cierra el banco? If you notice, I joined the words together. This is how native speakers talk. ¿A qué hora cierra el banco? Another example. What are the business hours? ¿Cuáles son los horarios de atención? 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 That means, what are the business hours? Otro ejemplo, another example. Are you open on Sundays? ¿Abren los domingos? ¿Abren los domingos? Una vez más, one more time. ¿Abren los domingos? Perfecto. Continuemos. Let's continue. You're doing an excellent job. If you want to say, until what time are you open? You would say, ¿hasta qué hora están abiertos? ¿Hasta qué hora están abiertos? Listen and repeat after me. ¿Hasta qué hora están abiertos? Now do the same for the next phrase. If you want to say, what time do you close at night? You would have to say, ¿a qué hora cierran por la noche? 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 Almost there. Keep up the good work. When do you open again? ¿Cuándo vuelven a abrir? ¿Cuándo vuelven a abrir? ¿Cuándo vuelven a abrir? ¿Cuándo vuelven a abrir? One last time. ¿Cuándo vuelven a abrir? Is it open during the weekend? ¿Está abierto durante el fin de semana? 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 You're doing very well. Keep up the good work. If you want to say and ask, can I come before you close? You have to say, ¿puedo venir antes de que cierren? 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 Muy bien, amigos. Fantástico. Now we're going to do our Spanish listening exercises. Are you ready for this? Fantástico. Tune in your listening skills and get ready for today's exercise. Ejercicio. Muy bien. Empecemos. Bienvenidos una vez más. ¿Cómo te fue? How did you go? I hope you did really well, and if you didn't, don't feel discouraged. Listen to the phrases and practice once again. Now, it is time for us to practice our listening skills in Spanish. I'm going to tell you a story, so please listen attentively. Escucha atentamente. Mirana, who just arrived in Madrid for a vacation. Her first stop, a famous cafe she's heard so much about in the heart of Madrid. Ana says, Disculpe, ¿a qué hora abren? Which means, excuse me, what time do you open? The cafe owner says, Abrimos a las 8 de la mañana y cerramos a las 10 de la noche. Which means we open at 8 a.m. and close at 10 p.m. Ana smiles, thrilled to start her day with some churros and hot chocolate. Later, after exploring the city of Madrid, she wants to pick up a souvenir for her family back in Australia. Ana says, ¿A qué hora cierran la tienda de regalos? What time does the gift shop close? The local vendor says, Cerramos a las 8 de la noche. Cerramos a las 8 de la noche means we close at 8 p.m. With her souvenirs in hand, Ana heads out for dinner, but realizes it's getting late. Ana asks, ¿Todavía están abiertos los restaurantes? Are the restaurants still open? Passerby says, Sí, algunos están abiertos hasta la medianoche. Meaning, yes, some are open until midnight. Ana enjoys a full day from early coffee to late night tapas, using just a few key phrases that make her trip smooth and enjoyable. And this is a perfect short story that shows you how practical these phrases, these sentences are. When you travel, when you visit Spanish-speaking countries, you will be so glad that you learned these sentences. Muy bien, amigos, let me thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you next time. Please click that button, help me grow this channel. My apologies I didn't upload last week. I've been so busy at work. Help me grow this channel so I can eventually work full-time and help you learn Spanish in a more consistent manner. Muy bien, amigos, take care. I'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao. Cuídate. Take care.